Let's graph the reciprocal function 1 over x. We're going to start by plugging in some values for x. We'll start with -2. If I remove the x, replace it with -2, I'm going to get an output of -1/2. Now let's plug in a -1. When we plug in a -1, we get out a -1. Plugging in a -1/2, we're going to get out a -2. Let's plug in a 0. When you plug in a 0, you should know anytime you have a 0 on the bottom of a fraction, it is always undefined. Okay. Next, let's plug in a half. Plugging in a half, we're going to get out 2. Let's plug in a 1. We get out 1. Plug in a 2, and we get out a half. Once we sketch, our graph is going to look like so. You will always see a hyperbola or branch in quadrant 1 and in quadrant 3. Notice that at 0, when you plug 0 in, it's undefined. So your graph cannot touch 0 at any time. It cannot be a part of the domain. So for vertical asymptote, you're going to have a vertical asymptote at x equals 0, which means your graph cannot touch 0 there. You're also going to have a horizontal asymptote at 0 because it cannot touch 0 in that way either. So whenever you have a vertical asymptote and you write the line, it is always x equals that number. For a horizontal line, it's always y equals that number. Again, 0 is not part of the domain for this reciprocal function.